Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stretch, it is just to bring the yarn to working height. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you are done, pull this yarn in to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. For this whole pattern, the starting chain 2 won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. Yarn over. Now usually you would insert your hook into this stitch like this, but now go below the whole stitch like this one, the whole stitch. This is how it will look. For this whole pattern, we'll be working in the same way. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, go below the whole stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 36 stitches. Next round, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 48 stitches. Next round, chain 2, 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. Start the next stitch in the same stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 48 stitches. Next on, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, two double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this, 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, two double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 60 stitches. This is the basic increase pattern. You can keep repeating this increase round until you reach the size which you need. Start each and every round with chain 2. The chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch, and start the next stitch in the same stitch. Keep increasing the starting number of stitch by 1. Here you had done 4 stitches, so the next round you will make 5 starting stitches and 1 increase. And here you had started off with 12 stitches, so with each and every round your stitch count, it should increase by multiples of 12. And once you reach the end, always slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So for the next rounds, use the same increase pattern until you reach the size which you need. I made mine up to round 9. This is how to look. It measures around 9 inches. Next round, chain 5. Skip 2, 1 and 2, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Repeat this all around. Chain 5. Skip 2. 1 single crochet. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space, and while making the slip stitch, change to the other color. Secure your yarn properly. Start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 7 double crochets in this space. One single crochet in the next space. Now repeat this all around. 7 double crochets in the next space, 1 single crochet in the next space. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change back to this color. And you can weave off this yarn. The last round, chain 5. 1 single crochet in the middle stitch, that is the 4th stitch. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3 picot, chain 3 and 1 slip stitch in the bottom stitch. Chain 5 and 1 slip stitch into the single crochet, the middle stitch. Repeat this all around. Chain 5, the middle stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 3 picot, chain 5, one slip stitch into the single crochet. And once you reach the end, slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.